In May, we have an opportunity to celebrate National Hospital Week. It's our chance to say thank you to all of our 4,200 staff, from our direct patient care providers to those who support them, our housekeepers, our dietary staff, our nurses, and our doctors. We want to say thank you for all that you do on behalf of our communities in Central, Western, and Eastern Maine. Thank you very much, Central Maine Healthcare. Have a great week.
I've always had a huge passion for wellness, and so I'm really thrilled to have the opportunity to share that with all of our employees. So what I love most is being able to care for the folks that care for our patients and making sure that they are at their best when they're doing their jobs.
I don't think I ever had a bad day. I know it's true. Never had a bad day at CMC, but working with my friends, helping people, getting better.
My grandmother started here when she was younger, and so my family's always been a part of Bridgton Hospital. She was here when it was Northern Cumberland, so Bridgton Hospital has always been a part of my family. My mom worked here, so I grew up with all the staff here at the hospital. So it's my family.
I love being here for my patients. I am like all for the patients. I love my job. I love all the people I work with. It's just a wonderful community to work in.
When I started, we did data entry. We were located in a little church across from the 7-Eleven. It was called The Cupboard. From there, I think we were 7 employees, and now we're over 60. And when I say, you know, this is like a second family, it truly is.
It's a good teaching hospital. My first week here, I went and saw open heart surgery.
I enjoy the interaction. I enjoy the fact that human resources is always something different. When I come in, it's a different challenge, a different obstacle every day.
It's really like a family, both within the lab and within the hospital too. It's really, there's a camaraderie between people, which you just can't get at every workplace.
We have a group of people that I think are all marching to the same drum and the same goal, and that's helping people when they're at their worst and hopefully making them better, getting them out of the hospital, or helping them to the next point, wherever that is in their health.
I like working with the people here. I like registering the people that come in and meeting different people and the diversities. You know, that's what I look forward to the most.
I love my coworkers, I love my manager, my team. I have a strong, solid team.
I love taking care of people. I started doing other jobs and found out that it feels best to make people feel better.
I really like what I do because I get to meet a lot of good people here. I mean, a lot of people, I see people come in the entrance every day. The staff here is excellent, love the staff. I know a lot of people and they're excellent.
All the patients, meeting new people, like family around here.
When I think of the staff at both facilities, Bridgton and Rumford, I think of a staff that is very patient-centered, very focused on meeting the needs of the patient as well as the caregivers, because we often find that our patients are accompanied by family members and or some other type of caregiver. So I think from that perspective and that patient-centeredness, that's where we excel.
I love it here. I think that we, as a team, collaborate well. I think we communicate well. I think that we have strong hearts and strong minds, and that we are a positive, dedicated, caring group of people.
I like to be able to help people, so being in a position where I can effectively help my patients is very nice.
The small hospital, small facility, and getting to know the patients.
In the operating room, you can help assist the simple surgery like a breast reduction or help take out and remove cancer.
We all know each other, you know, all the nurses and all the techs and all the aides and maintenance and dietary, and everybody knows everybody, so it's like family.
It's pretty obvious when you come in, you say, well, the patients are the most important thing. That's pretty obvious, everybody knows that. But it's true here. They go through every hoop to make people comfortable and do the best things for them.
What I love most about my job is that I get to work with people on setting their nutrition goals and improving their health, so it's very rewarding in both areas.
It's like building a puzzle every day. You use all this information that you get from your machines to put together a puzzle to figure out a diagnosis for, or help figure out a diagnosis for a patient.
I make people smile. I can make them comfortable in their hard times. It's just a really nice place to work, especially when they're really sick and they need you.
Just the people in the area just is so nice. The staff is awesome, you know, and it's just a great place to work.
I love helping people get home safely and have a safe environment to go home to.
It's really rewarding teaching people about nutrition and seeing their health improve and seeing them achieve what they want from eating healthy. Just a really rewarding job and career.
It's like a family, you know, people know each other and they help each other and they support each other.
I like being a part and contributing to my community. I was a stay-at-home mom for a long time, and so I wasn't able to do a whole lot. Now I can, so I'm kind of making up for it.
I love doing it because it makes a difference in people's lives. It changes their lives, I think, because we address such a wide scope with heart disease in all different areas of their lives. And I find that it's lasting, so we have patients come back years later and thank us. You know, it's very inspiring too.
I like the busyness of the floor, that there's always something new every day, and I really enjoy the people I work with.
I feel that all of our patients are treated like family, and the community is, you know, supports us, and it's just a wonderful place to work.
Caring for patients is a passion. Caring for our community is something that we at Central Maine Healthcare take personal pride in each and every day. We cannot do that without the care and compassion of dedicated employees. And so during this hospital week, I thank you for each and every one of the efforts that you put in to take good care of our patients, their families, and our community. Thank you for what you do each and every day. You clearly do make a difference.
To each of you across Central Maine Healthcare, thank you so much for everything you do in providing exceptional service every single day. As we celebrate Hospital Week, I can't think but to think about every single patient that you touch. The great service you provide, the great care you provide, and the way that you help keep our facilities running on a daily basis. We cannot do this without you. Thank you so much, and have a great Hospital Week.